The U.S. Supreme Court may have ruled against employer vaccine mandates, but that hardly matters to Jamie Dimon and other Wall Street chiefs, who are standing firmly in favor of requiring staff to get their life-saving jabs. To go to the office, you have to be vaxxed, and if you aren't going to get. The institution he leads, JP Morgan Chase, is the largest American bank by assets and has 9 offices, including its headquarters, in New York, where Dimon said 97% of the staff is vaccinated. "We're not going to pay you to not work in the office, we want people to get vaxxed." The country's biggest banks have long been loath to take political stands out of fear of alienating customers, investors and even some executives. But when it comes to vaccinations, which are generally favored by Democrats and denounced by many Republicans, Wall Street has taken a staunch position. In some cases, the banks have had rules in place for months, and the institutions contacted by Forbes unanimously said they plan to stick with them no matter what the High Court says. In addition to JP Morgan, Bank of America BAC, Citigroup C, Goldman Sachs Gs, Morgan Stanley MS and Wells Fargo WFC are all requiring staff to at least disclose their vaccine status. Bank of America went with a carrot approach, offering a $200 bonus to all vaccinated staff. Morgan Stanley is requiring all staff to be vaccinated in order to access its offices in New York City or Westchester County. Goldman Sachs has announced booster shots will be mandatory for all U.S. employees as of February 1st. Wells Fargo is requiring staff to register their vaccination status this month, with unvaccinated employees having to submit to regular testing, a decision unchanged by the court ruling. Wells Fargo will continue our testing program, a bank spokesperson told Forbes. "We believe it's the right thing to do for the safety of all employees and our customers." Citigroup has the most stringent rules. The New York-based banking giant first told staff to get vaccinated back in late October, citing its extensive work with the government that means that some employees would fall under a separate mandate for federal contractors that's currently being challenged in the courts. The country's 4th biggest bank went further by requiring all 65,000 employees to get vaccinated or be placed on unpaid leave on January 14th. If they still wouldn't comply, Citigroup would fire them at the end of the month. In a LinkedIn post Thursday, the day the court ruled, the firm's head of human resources, Sarah Wechter, marked the deadline by announcing that 99% of the staff had been vaccinated.